Hey everyone, thanks for joining me again. Tonight I'm going to do a quick video and show you how I finish up with items that I've put resin on. If you watched any of my previous videos, you'll see I did these coasters the other night. So they are fully dry and they have a beautiful shine to them. They are awesome. So underneath, you'll see there are drips, these little drips of resin. So this is why it's really important to tape the bottom of your pieces, because these drips, you will see, will come off with complete ease. So these are the turquoise ones I did. Just absolutely love the shine and the color on them. So I'll do a few pieces. So what I do is I take my heat gun and I just blast the back just for a few seconds just to heat it up, warm up the resin a little bit, and you'll see how easy it is to peel this off. All right, so then just take your tape and just like that, it peels right off, which makes finishing up your projects so easy. See the drips? They stay on the tape, which is great. And there you have it. Clean piece ready for a backing underneath. Nice and smooth. The edges have their resin on them. This worked out perfect. So we'll do a few more real quick. Okay, and you'll see there's a lot of drips on this one. But again, once you heat up the resin on the back, it just peels right off. See that? Simple, easy peasy. So if you don't tape the back, then you'll have a hard time getting all these drips off. Just like that, finished. So I won't go through all of them on the tiles. I do have one of my wood boards that I completed a while back. It's one of my favorites. It's got turquoise and blue and white in it. So the back, there's the back. So I can start by peeling off these pieces. Really simple. All right, now I'm just gonna blast a little bit around the edge. All right, and you'll see it should come off nice and easy. Look at that. Perfect, clean edge. Like, it doesn't get any better than that. No drips, no fuss, no muss. Sometimes you don't even need to heat it. If you find it's a little hard to pull off, heat it up. But in this case, it seems like it's coming off nice and easy. And there you have it. Perfectly clean on the back. Not a drip of resin, not a drip of paint, not even a fingerprint. So edges, nicely done, crisp and clean, and there you go. All it needs now is some hardware on the back, ready for hanging on the wall. Same with this piece. Did this one the other day as well. Back is completely covered. Pull these all off. I mean, you don't have to fill the whole thing in, obviously. Not sure why I did this one. Maybe I had other plans for it, but the good thing is the tape is very inexpensive. I pick it up at the dollar store. All right, so I'm just gonna give this one a quick blast. Now this one here, I had done something else on this side and I did not like it at all. It was horrible. So I went over it with the purple and the gold to cover up the ugly piece that was underneath. So this has double and triple layers of resin. So this one, you can see, is super thick. But again, with a blast of heat, this stuff just peels right off, which is awesome. Look at that. One little piece left, and there you go. And voila, perfect, clean edges. Beautiful. And this was the piece, the big 20 inches that I did. That's my first video on my YouTube channel if you want to check out how I did this one. But this one is just, it's so shiny. Look at that. It's perfect. There's not a single flaw. I'm so excited about this one. So here's the back, and there aren't that many drips actually on the back. So I bet you I could just pull this all off. Boy, this thing's heavy. Well, you can see some resin got under there. And there you have it, guys. It's just really important to prep the back of your pieces and the back of your boards or your tiles, anything you're gonna do resin with. It's great to prep the back of the canvas or any piece that you do so that cleanup and is easy, and then it also makes it look nice and clean in the back. Some people like to have the back messy. They say it tells a story in the back. Personally, for me, I like to have everything nice and neat and clean. So there you have it, guys, a small little short video on how to clean up the back of your pieces once the resin has dried. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, anything like that, feel free to send me a message or put a comment in the comments below, and I'll do my best to get back to you guys. Thanks for watching. See you soon.